In the colossal broadness of room, a peculiar visitor has gotten the creative mind and astounded analysts all around the planet. While specialists and cosmologists endeavored to sort out what this strange article from beyond our planetary gathering was on its most essential appearance, NASA's James Webb Telescope has completely changed this story. James Webb has expanded our point of view on the universe and unveiled the first certifiable picture of Oumuamua, the baffling and interesting object that has caused conflict and speculation. Yet, what really is this strange visitor from space? Might it at any point truly have another natural origin as a few experts suggest? Join us on this captivating venture as we unveil the mystery secrets of Oumuamua and disentangle the truth behind this intergalactic puzzle. This will be a surprising encounter that will challenge all that we believed we knew about our place in the universe. Assuming that you're excited about staying up to date with news from the universe and its surroundings, subscribe to our channel. Be sure to like this video and turn on the notification bell. Imagine a truly peculiar object emerging from the deepest corners of space. Its elongated shape seems to be an endless cigar or a thin, superb needle, completely contradicting what we believed we knew. The potentially extraterrestrial origin of Oumuamua has transformed into a fixation and a focal accomplishment in our quest for knowledge. However, dear fans, the journey doesn't stop with a single picture. In their lively mission for answers, researchers have turned to the striking James Webb Space Telescope. This imaginative wonder will undoubtedly unravel the mysteries of the charming objects that clutter our planetary gathering. Its extraordinary capacity lies in its unrivaled ability to gather and analyze infrared light, an extreme forefront research tool equipped with high-resolution, high-sensitivity technology. The Webb telescope will help us uncover the secret compound structures and unwind the real essence of these strange cosmic marvels. Their mind-boggling subtleties, previously unbelievable to study from Earth, will be revealed to us. This striking instrument will show us a new level of clarity, revealing details and subtleties that illustrate these fascinating heavenly guests as they venture within our observing range. The James Webb Space Telescope becomes our trusted guide, capturing the essence of fascinating objects in a manner that goes far beyond a simple photo. It stunningly collects hundreds, if not thousands, of images to create a mega picture that incorporates every small detail we might hope to see. Harnessing the massive power of this telescope, we delve into the smallest and most elusive portions of these objects, disentangling mysteries that have remained hidden for hundreds of years. The Webb telescope isn't just a tool for scientific investigation but also a gateway to revolutionary discoveries. With its extraordinary capabilities, this innovative wonder allows scientists to explore the depths of space at sizes and levels of brilliance that were previously impossible. Perhaps we are opening a new chapter of the universe, paving the way for exciting scientific exploration. By harnessing the power of this telescope, we embark on a mission to expand the limits of our knowledge and understanding of the universe, unlocking secrets that have remained hidden for centuries. For this reason, the James Webb Telescope was chosen for this essential research, as it expands the frontiers of investigation and leads us further into the regions of discovery. Unlike the regular assumptions associated with an ordinary space rock, the heavenly visitor had an enrapturing story to tell. As its data were processed and analyzed in more detail, it became increasingly certain that this strange, captivating object had a nature that transcended anything we had seen before. Its regretful bearing changes baffled scientists and led to a series of interesting questions about Oumuamua's true persona. What was happening was turning out to be increasingly extraordinary. As this sensational visitor, Oumuamua, crossed our planetary gathering at astounding rates, each passing second became critical. There was simply no extra chance to speak of for the research seekers. They were faced with an impending and daunting challenge. With just 11 days available to them, they had to take advantage of this opportunity to gather as much data as possible about this rare divine voyager before it moved too far away to be studied. The significance was clear, for with each tick of the clock, the opportunity was getting progressively smaller. A rapid and effective assessment was needed. While the tension in the research team was continually increasing, they were fully aware that any delay, however small, could hinder their ability to interpret this superb quirk. The need to act promptly was evident in case any significant information be lost in the process. Unusually, when it comes to maximizing time and unraveling the mysteries of the universe, NASA stands out as a consummate master in its bold missions to shed light on the mysterious elements of Oumuamua. The appearance of the exceptional James Webb Telescope came on the scene as a significant galactic instrument, ready to embark on a journey of precise measurements and investigation with enduring determination. Its goal was to reveal the rare truth hidden in Oumuamua. The test of skill and perseverance increased as experts knew that capturing as much data as possible was crucial. Each snippet of information became a precious treasure, ready to be carefully processed and studied. This was their only chance for fundamental information before Oumuamua drifted away from our neighborhood planetary gathering. Every scientist and every instrument proficient in gathering data joined in their missions to unwind the mysteries embraced by this complex stone. However, an unexpected twist occurred. When the detailed information, instead of bringing clarity, left analysts even more curious, it raised more questions than answers. The question arose regarding its purpose, and trying to interpret this heavenly riddle became increasingly complicated as scientists wrestled with a mystery that defied traditional assumptions regarding a space object. When we imagine a space rock, we typically imagine round or irregular objects, which isn't entirely wrong. Most heavenly bodies in the vast space will almost always take on these shapes due to the gravitational forces at play, which maneuver atoms and particles into a round shape. However, Oumuamua went against this normal rule with its prolonged, thin shape, which contrasted significantly with the usual rounded structures. Imagine this divine voyager as a kind of boundless needle moving smoothly through the depths of space. This deviation from the standard completely challenged all that we believed we knew about space objects. The unusual shape of Oumuamua and its hesitance to adopt a more rounded structure sparked a new wave of interest among experts, prompting them to delve deeper and seek answers to this boundless conundrum. The mystery surrounding the properties of Oumuamua continues to challenge how we might interpret divine objects in the vast expanse of space, where gravitational forces play an essential role in keeping atoms compacted and round in shape. In extreme conditions characterized by varying gases and pressure, these conditions further reinforce the tendency of objects to maintain a rounded shape. These natural factors served as a reference, however, Oumuamua had something else in mind. Its surprising elongated shape strongly contradicted the round or irregular shapes associated with typical space objects, leading to the impression of a massive galactic stoge stretching across the immensity of space. Besides the size of Oumuamua being equally astonishing, with a radius of approximately 200 meters and a length 10 times greater than its width, these proportions were exceptional, especially within our local planetary bunch, which spans an immense width of 287.4 billion kilometers. As if Oumuamua's peculiar shape and massive size were not confounding enough, it likewise revealed another striking component, a particular rosy color. This ruddy tone is generally connected with objects beyond our planetary gathering, where the presence of surrounding dust gives it this dynamic hue. Do you think Oumuamua is something other than a space rock? Let me know in the comments box. Make certain to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss more recordings like this. Absolutely, we should dive further into the explanation of the accentuated text regarding the interesting heavenly object known as Oumuamua and the noteworthy disclosure made by the James Webb Space Telescope in connection to Oumuamua and the James Webb Telescope. The text starts by presenting the mysterious divine object Oumuamua, which has bewildered specialists around the world. In spite of endeavors by researchers and cosmologists to figure out its nature, Oumuamua remained a mystery until the James Webb Space Telescope provided a notable disclosure. The James Webb Telescope, operated by NASA, played a central role in changing the story surrounding Oumuamua. Its advanced capabilities allow for a detailed assessment of this heavenly guest, providing the first authentic picture of Oumuamua. Description of Oumuamua. Oumuamua is depicted as an unconventional object arising out of the depths of space, challenging conventional assumptions with its prolonged shape resembling a stogie or a thin needle. This unique shape challenged past assumptions about divine objects and ignited interest among scientists. The text highlights the unusual size of Oumuamua, with aspects that surpass typical heavenly bodies. Its elongated design and distinctive rosy color also set it apart from other space rocks and comets. Role of the James Webb Telescope. The James Webb Space Telescope is praised for its outstanding capabilities in capturing infrared light and providing remarkable clarity in observing heavenly objects. Experts turn to the James Webb Telescope to unravel the secrets of Oumuamua, using its cutting-edge technology to gather valuable data about this confounding visitor. The text emphasizes the telescope's ability to create detailed images that go beyond simple photos, capturing every detail of divine objects and enabling scientists to explore previously distant domains of space. Scientific endeavor and discovery. The story highlights the collaborative efforts of scientists and researchers in studying Oumuamua, highlighting the importance of gathering data before it floated away from our planetary gathering. Despite the influx of data from the James Webb Telescope, interpreting the nature and purpose of Oumuamua remained a complicated task. The text acknowledges the challenges faced by scientists in deciphering this divine mystery. The discovery of Oumuamua and the subsequent investigation conducted with the James Webb Telescope represent a significant achievement in humanity's quest to understand the universe, prompting discussion about our place in the universe and challenging existing scientific norms. End and call to action. The text ends by inviting viewers to participate in further discussion and exploration of the secrets surrounding Oumuamua. It encourages audience